Hello everybody, and as you know, this video is titled "What is dry brushing?" This question's been asked quite a few times ever since the channel has started, so I thought I'd address it now. So a nice simple basic video. Of course, this is for people just getting started with dry brushing. There'll be many that watch the video that already know what dry brushing is, so maybe they're not watching the video anyway because they already know what it is. So anyway, we got a piece here. This is a plaster cast of a pine cone, so that is the pure plaster cast. You want some kind of wall painting brushes like these, a selection of these, or brushes which suit your project. So we're going to use a brush around about that size for this size object. So let's get on with it. Right, so here we are, and we got this pine cone cast which has been painted with a dark colour. This is actually the paint left over from the last video. So the pine cone is made of hydrocal, or crystal cow I should say, and just the pure plaster there. And there it is, of course, with the undercoat of the dark paint, which is like a mixture of black and brown, basically, acrylic paint. So we've got a selection of brushes here, all dry brushes, and we'll use this one to demonstrate onto the cast here. And we've also got some bronze metallic paint. This is also acrylic. You might want a rag, a piece of cardboard, to take away some of the excess paint from the paintbrush, which you'll see shortly. I like to use the inside of the paint pot lid, but it all depends on your preference, of course, so whatever you want to use. So there we've got the paint lid there, and all we're going to do is just dab our brush into the paint. We'll probably end up with too much on the brush, so just take it off by using the lid or your rag or your piece of cardboard, and then we'll just dust it onto the cast. And of course the cast will pick up the paint on the highest areas and leave the recessed areas with the undercoat of paint. The black mixed with the brown, of course, the darker colour, which you can see there. So you just want to lightly dust over and you get that nice effect. So you can see the contrast there. And if you want to build up the layers, what I would recommend is to let that dry and then just do the same again. This metallic paint does actually dry quite quickly. So you might want a more solid colour of bronze here, so we just do the same again. Lightly dust over the cast, and there you can see you get a nice effect. So let me just show you, you don't want to be putting too much paint on your brush, so we've got too much paint there. So what will happen is it just ends up like that, so you don't want to be doing that. You want to keep minimal paint on your paintbrush, just enough to show up on your cast, and if you want it to look a little bit more vibrant, build up your layers. So there you can see, there we are. So it's nice there, and that's where we splodged it just a moment ago, of course. So just get rid of that. So obviously this is just for demonstration purposes. You don't want to be doing this on your main model or cast. So there we have it. I think you might agree that's quite a nice effect. Simple and effective. And of course you can use your preference of colours, whatever colours you want to use. Light on dark backgrounds tends to work the best, but you can create all kinds of effects. You can get creative with it. So there we are, simple basic dry brushing, and I hope that clears everything up with the people that are a little bit unsure about the dry brushing method. So thanks for watching, see you soon, and over and out for now.